Morning, Sunday, April 18th, 11:06 UTC time. And what a Sunday it is. A bloody Sunday. Bitcoin current price 55,4907, down 8%. I think this is off its lows if you're just waking up. Maybe you are still asleep if you're in New York and don't know what's happening. So I just logged back onto my computer and all my chart settings have got lost. So it took me a little while to get them back up and running. But luckily, these trend lines were still there magically. So all these background colors were gone, but the trend lines were still there. So that's something. But my troubles and my issues with TradingView continue. Okay, enough about that. What is happening into Bitcoin and the crypto markets in general? Look, are we down across the board? Litecoin 260. Wow. Crow coin crypto.com 0197. Dash off big, down $70, down 20%. That's a big one. That's probably the biggest. Binance 457. BitTorrent 15%. Yep. So it's real carnage going on, right? Or is it? So I had this quick perusal of the interwebs, and what I found was I'm not on Twitter, so my Twitter feed source is still down. But here we go. So there was a Chinese power blackout, right? And if you don't know, a lot of the mining goes on in China. So this is a pretty big power outage. It's estimated to last 3 weeks. So how does it affect Bitcoin? Because there's an old adage, right? Price of Bitcoin follows the hash rate. I never was really sold on that. But I understand the kind of theory, right? More people joining the Bitcoin network on the mining side, it should push up the price over time. So there should be a correlation, but how tight is that correlation, right? Would you look at the hash rate first before trading or investing? No, I think it's something you keep an eye on and look over, have a monthly trend of the hash, quarterly, Bitcoin's almost 11 years old, 11, 12 years old now, isn't it? So we do know that it went from being able to go on mine on your CPU to GPU to ASICs to giant mega farms. So this year, I think we've seen more people joining the Bitcoin network, and this, Chinese power outage could be good. Could be a help decentralization. So, and if the Chinese power outage is to last like a month, what are miners going to do? Bitcoin's at 55 grand. Don't you think if they know it's going to be lasting that long, do you think they'll be just waiting it out? Or will they be moving their hardware to somewhere that has power, right? They're probably loading trucks right now. Yeah? If they're well financed, they're probably moving stuff right now, right? So this will affect the hash rate. It's going to, every 2 weeks, the BTC Bitcoin hash rate auto adjusts, right? So if there's less miners on the network, the hash rate will go down. So the people still active should make more money. That's good. So let's look. So we've fallen out of this chart pattern, Drew, right? The uptrend correlation continuation pattern. So, but look, we're kind of in the reload zone. Are we lower than this? Let's have a look. Let's get out of the area charts. And candles. Yeah, okay. It's giving you info. Is it good info? Hopefully, I am providing you good info. So, auto. Wow, look at that. Just fell off a cliff. What was so it started to occur late last night. Late last night, it should have held this, right? If this pattern, it should have held these tops, right? In an ideal scenario. But how's the high? Higher on this candle is 61. The low on this candle is 51.54. Well, it's basically $8,500 in a couple of hours. Huge moves, huge moves, and I would wager this would equal or match what happened in February. It's going to over exceed the dump of February, I believe. Where was our dump? Yeah, this was our big dump, right? This is we had two big dumps. So what is this move? 40. 10, that's huge. 33%. 25%. Sorry. Had an instant bear market, and this one huge. You can call that 38. Another 10. Bitcoin volatile. It's what scares people off, right? 29, 38. Now, so the up move, even though it matches in price, is greater in percentage. So 28 to 38. Yeah, it's larger than that, right? I can't do the math right now. It's still early. Pre-coffee. Um, but daily. Let's go back to daily. On these candles, is anything broken? High, low, high, low, high, higher than this, low. Is anything broken? Really? Yeah, my consolidation pattern is broken. But what if you come back up here? Right? What if rebounds V-shaped here, then comes back down here? This is May. Beginning of May, 64 grand, 65 grand. Is anything really broken? So you decide. Ethereum off big, but is it really? 25.49 was the low of this. 20 grand. No, 2,000, sorry. $2,000. Now Ethereum is acting well. Ethereum is acting well. So 618, I think that will be the 50% retracement, right? Of this count. Yeah. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Let's draw a horizontal line. Trading view. Are you going to cooperate? See, look, my arrow's up here. Where's the line? My cross is here. Okay. Let's draw that. So 2000 is key on Ethereum, right? Is that plain to see? It should be. So that's a 50%. It's a top hammer off the top. So is 3 grand still on the table? Yes, it is. Other thing I just saw. So we had the China FUD, right? China FUD. Some miners got taken offline. Wow, big whoop. And this is what is interesting. So I don't know if you saw my videos on YouTube. I am on YouTube. I post all these videos. I share these videos on YouTube, and also I had a few just general chats when I walk about, just to process ideas and info and just my views on the market and life in general, right? Investing, trading, whatever. And yeah, there was more FUD. There's two news items that caused this bloody Sunday, and the second was US regulators. Big news actually. Well, big FUD event. So they came out and they're looking to charge uh, unnamed financial institutions with crypto money laundering. I brought this up yesterday in one of my walk and talks. Yeah, money laundering, crypto money laundering is real. It really is real. Um, and so you're gonna have to dig around, but I think there's no actual info regarding which institutions. So everyone's on high alert, right? Everyone's on high alert. But are the uh, are the US SEC big enough to take down Binance? Hmm, probably not. Probably not. But are they big enough to take down smaller players? Yes. So if you hold coins on these smaller centralized exchanges, you will want to be moving them. I assume that would be the mindset. So waking up, maybe tethering. Uh, this is probably shaking you out. You know. So these news events, uh, this is all kind of seems like orchestrated, right? Or two large news events Saturday night when everyone's asleep. You decide. Why not on a Monday morning? No. Why do this? Why release this info when no one's watching? You just understand what's happening. So the regulators who are trying to clean things up are actually partly to blame. Partly to blame for this action. Um, so I hope you guys are doing okay out there. I hope you guys are not being shaken out. I would hate for you to, sell your Bitcoin here, then watch it rebound up to 68, right? That would be a disaster. And then now you'll be like deciding how to get back in. If you're out here, how do you get back in when it's up here? It's it's tough. It's tough. And so I've been in this crypto game long enough to not be. I mean, kind of immune to the FUD, right? I mean, immune to the FOMO on the upside, and also immune to the FUD. So that is the advantage of being around in crypto for a minimum of 2 years. You get to see all the news cycles play out, all the price action develop. But if you just got into crypto, say, at the beginning of the year, this has been a wild ride for you guys already. You've seen coins do 5, 10x. You've seen all these celebrities come out with their laser eyes, Elon, Visa, Coinbase, IPO. It's been an insane ride this year, right? And we're only in April, so yeah. If you're new, you must be exhausted. You must be a nervous wreck. So I feel for you guys. So that's why you should watch me and others who have been around in the space for a while. We're here to help. Most of us, some of us, and we want you to do well. Okay, guys, it's 14 minutes long. Hopefully, this has helped. If you're just waking up, hopefully, this has helped. Okay, guys, bye.